Okay, so Microsoft is crashing today. We are bleeding more than 5% right now. There is not a single meaningful bullish reaction at it, but we just filled a previous gap in the daily chart. However, this reaction is not scary. This is not the problem on Microsoft. In fact, this movement is extremely technical. If I was totally oblivious to what's going on with Microsoft, to what's going on the broad market, I would say that this is just another plausible movement. Microsoft is just filling another gap. However, Microsoft is trading at a very, very dangerous key point, very dangerous support level, and we are going to discuss about that in this video. First, my name is Nathan. It is very nice to meet you guys. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. In this video, we are going to analyze Microsoft's price action. When we analyze the broad market, Microsoft is our main red star over here today, right? Most stocks are just going up nicely today, but Microsoft is crashing. If I was totally oblivious to the broad market, okay, this is a natural movement. However, the main problem on Microsoft is that we are filling a gap in the daily chart, and right now we gotta react. In order to avoid a continuation of this bearish sentiment, Microsoft has to react right now above this support level over here at $228. We must react as soon as possible in order to avoid a bearish continuation. Now, if we analyze the weekly chart, what's more, what we see here, this moving average is the 200 moving average, all right? Regardless the time frame we analyze on Microsoft, it is the 200 moving average in the daily chart, okay? In the daily perspective. So in the weekly chart, we can see better how this moving average is working as a very strong resistance level for Microsoft. As long as Microsoft remains under this moving average, remains doing lower highs, lower lows, the trend will remain bearish. See how this moving average is working as a resistance level for Tesla on April, on August, and again in December 2022. So Microsoft has to break this moving average in order to reverse the bearish sentiment in the long term, because Microsoft is in a crystal clear bear trend since November 2021, more than 1 year right now, clearly bearish. What's more, Microsoft, Microsoft did trigger a crystal clear head and shoulders chart pattern. Right now, we just retested the previous bottom level over here, right? Which is a technical target for this head and shoulders. And but the problem is we hit $221 and we bounce it again. All right, this is good. This is quite good. We are bouncing. But if we lose $221, then the situation will get a little bit more problematic, even catastrophic, if you want to use that word. Why? Because last time we saw such a sharp correction, Microsoft triggering a head and shoulders chart pattern was only in 2008 over here. I hope you guys can see. It was a complex head and shoulders with two shoulders, but still it was the same pattern over here. We crashed it afterwards, right? We simply crashed it. However, if Microsoft loses $221, it is going to lose a very dramatic support level, which is at the same time in the monthly chart, the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement over here. Last time Microsoft lost the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement was over here, right? From 93 support level to the peak of the dot-com bubble, Microsoft crashed and it ignored the 38.2% retracement, and in this scenario over here, we retested the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement again. And this is why Microsoft is in an extremely dangerous position right now, in a dual support level made by the $221 in the weekly chart, a previous support level over here from February 2021, and by the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. So this dual support level is holding Microsoft's price so far in the monthly chart. However, if we lose this dual support level, then Microsoft will probably re-engage the bearish sentiment all the way down to the 61.8% retracement around $155. This is what the price action is telling us over here on Microsoft. If Microsoft is going to trigger this pattern, it is going to lose this support level. I don't know. I can't tell you guys because remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. We are not here to predict the future. We are here to work with possible scenarios on Microsoft, regardless what happened. And of course, if you want to trade with me, check my website, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money and beat the market. My performance is public. My portfolio has a public performance. So check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, I can't tell you guys if Microsoft is going to lose this support level or not. If it does, okay, we can work with our next target, which is 155, 156 down here. This is quite dramatic because last time we saw this going on was during the dot-com bubble, after a very impressive bull run, just like we saw over here, right? From 2015, maybe even from 2010, right? We saw this impressive, almost more than a decade of bull run over here, and then we see a pullback to the retracements. Here, we see a very similar movement, right? So this is totally plausible. So let's pay attention to the most important support level at $221 on Microsoft. Are you still watching this video and you didn't click on the like button? What the hell are you doing? Click on the like button to support this channel. Subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights. I'm here every single day, keeping you guys updated on many interesting stocks. So let's see how Microsoft is going to play from here. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.